Welcome to my channel. In this lecture we are going to discuss about the four basic blocks or four concepts which take you into the concepts of transducers engineering. So we have to understand the meaning of or the definitions of sensors, transducers, difference between a sensor and a transducer, block diagram of transducer. When I say definition, you always have in mind that defining a term or defining a sensor doesn't mean saying a definition in a line or two. You have to understand how it works, what is the basic principle of any device or component in simple terms. That is called definition. So coming to sensors or sensor. What is a sensor? Sensor is a device which is used to detect any physical change in the environment and produce it in electronic form, electronic output. Detection of any physical change or environmental change and producing the output in a readable electronic form. When I say electronic form, it means in terms of voltage, current, etc. Voltage, current. So this is the basic definition of sensor. Anywhere if you can find the definition of sensor, this will be, you can find it. So what is the example of a sensor? For example, accelerometer. What is accelerometer? In simple terms, the measurement of acceleration is called as accelerometer. It is used to detect vibrations in any body or any machinery. If you want to detect the dynamic vibration that is happening or dynamic movement taking place in the accelerometer or any directional change of that object or the machine, you can denote it, you can determine it by using the device called as accelerometer. It is a sensor which converts that movement or vibration in electronic form. Okay, that is called as an accelerometer. So if you understand this much about sensor, then you can understand in detail about the in-depth concepts of sensor very well. Thank you.